is Michelle with Pink and Maine, and today I wanted to do a quick video to talk about our new 6x6 plaid background stamps. These are like a plaid background builder stamps, and we have 3 sets, and you can use them individually alone, or you can stack them together to make a beautiful multicolored plaid backgrounds. This is our plaid number 1, and this makes a nice, bold, just kind of checkered background look. This is our plaid number 2, so you can see the lines are a little more intricate, and like I said, you can use this alone or with plaid number 1, or you can use it also with plaid number 3, which is also a little more intricate of a plaid, but a little bit bolder stripe than plaid number 2. So I wanted to show you some stamped backgrounds that I created. These first couple are from plaid number 1. So you can see it makes this nice, bold, kind of checkered plaid pattern. And I have all these backgrounds ready to create some cards, and I'm gonna have so much fun with them. These are plaid number 2. So you can see it's a little more intricate and detailed, with some thinner lines. This is plaid number 3. I did a little oops here, pressed down too hard, but I can use portions of this for a card for sure. So this is plaid number 3. You see it's just a little bit bolder than plaid number 2. And I talked about combining them together. So here I have plaid number 1 and plaid number 2. So you can see how you can combine those and you start to get a really nice multicolored plaid background. Here's another one with plaid number 1 and plaid number 2, just in different colors. And here's one more with that plaid number 1 and plaid number 2. I really love the looks of plaids. I love plaids and polka dots. Those are my favorite. Oh, here's one more with plaid number 1 and plaid number 2. You can just play with all the different colors that you have and all different mix and matches of these stamp sets. So this is plaid number 1 with number 3. So we're still just using 2 of them, but we get a really nice plaid. And you can see how it's a little bit different. This is 1 and 3, and this is 1 and 2. Here's another one. I like this nice bold plaid. Here's just another color combination or 2 of this. Ooh, this one's nice, blue and yellow, of that plaid number 1 and plaid number 3. Now here we've put number 2 and number 3 together. So we've left out that big bold plaid number 1. So here we just have more of a fine line plaid. Here again is another take on plaid number 2 and plaid number 3. And these are really easy to line up in your stamp platform, such as the Misty. And then here I have one example of all 3 of them used together. So you'd get like a really pretty, solid plaid multicolored background. And this one looks like Easter to me. I think I'm gonna have to make an Easter card with this one. So I have some card samples to share with you as well. This one was made by our talented design team member, Linnea, and she used 2 of the different plaids here. And these beautiful flowers are from our Fantastic Florals paper pad. So just look how beautiful this plaid background looks with the real pretty florals on top of it. Here's one I created. I used plaid number 3, and I embossed it with just white embossing powder, and then I ink blended this real pretty blue over it to give like an embossed resist. And then I used our new terrarium set, and I just thought that looked really nice. Here I made the plaid a background for a fun shaker card. And here's one more example where I've used all 3 of the plaid stamps, and I just used part of that to cut out with our banner die, just to make an accent on the card, and I think it looks really nice and all pulled together with the circle image and the stamp set. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. You can check out our plaid stamps at pinkandmain.com. And until we see each other again, keep living the creative life.